As you are looking for resources to support your social studies instruction, I recommend taking a look at SIRS Discoverer in the Library Find Information folder. It is full of magazines, news articles, images, and vetted websites. Once you're in the database, you'll see at the top there is a link to their research topics, which are fairly broad. But there's also a link here to nonfiction books. So let's take a quick look at some of their history and government books. So these titles are full text books and they are available for unlimited use. That means that you can have as many students as you want in the same book and reading it at the same time. So for example, let's take a look at The Alamo. Once you're on this screen, you can scroll down to see the book here in the middle, and you can click through and look at it on this page, of course. But also, if you're considering sharing this or a piece of the book with your whole class, you can also expand the book to full screen so that it's a little bit easier to share those examples with your students. You also have the ability to show the book as a text version. So with this, it puts it all on the same page, and you or your students would just continue scrolling down the page to read. So it feels a little bit more like a website than a book. You can also share the book with yourself or with students by saving it to your Google Drive. When you do this, it actually will create a new folder the first time called ProQuest in your drive, and it will put the book, the full text, in as a Google Doc. The nice thing about that is then if you wanted to, you could edit that document, pare it down to just the piece you wanted to share, but then it's also easy to edit and annotate for your students as well. Of course, you can also do a simple search at the top if you have a specific idea that you're looking for. So let's say you're teaching about westward expansion. So we can do a quick search and you'll notice that we get newspapers, magazines, there's images, books, and other sources that pull up. So you can go in, again, similar to the book, you can find a resource that you like. And again, save it to your Google Drive to share, and then you could put it in the classroom or however you wanted to share that with your students.